Welcome to our guide on enabling notifications for Spaces on Twitter when using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Start by opening Twitter on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. Then choose Settings and Privacy. Step 3. In the left-hand column, find and click on the Web Notifications option. Step 4. Within the Notification Types menu, select Preferences to customize your notification settings. Step 5. Click on Push Notifications to manage your push notification preferences. Step 6. Under From X, make sure to tick the box next to Spaces to receive notifications for Spaces. Step 7. To save your changes, click on the Save Changes button. By following these steps, you can now receive notifications for Twitter Spaces on your PC, ensuring you don't miss out on any important updates or conversations. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more informative content. Stay tuned for additional tips and tricks to enhance your Twitter experience. See you next time.